Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Jeep Compass Limited. Super solid. I'll go ahead and close this up. It's a heavy hood. So I apologize for the noise. Does have alloy wheels. Shot of the interior. I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. There's the luggage rack. Okay, you see here that it has 59,835 miles on this vehicle. Your cruise control. Come over here, you see that it does have GPS. Bounce over to radio, you see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. I'll go ahead and turn that down a little bit. You've also got your CD and DVD loading right there. All right, come down here, you see that you have heated seats. You also have additional power supplies, your shifter, park brake, and your cup holder. And then as you come along, you have your four-wheel drive block, and you've got additional stowage right here, the armrest. Got a glove compartment, and then an open glove compartment right there. Coming over here, you've got your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Compass. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the front. It affected both sides and the middle of the quarter panels and the grille. There's no structural damage. We're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.